A recent entrant in the brokerage arena, Capital.com has stormed onto the scene with an impressive offering for traders. Leveraging its technology expertise, Capital.com features an award-winning platform designed to cater for the diverse needs of the clients. With exceptional support, helpful training materials, and high-quality technology, Capital.com is a formidable destination for traders seeking access to a range of global financial markets. Reaching clients spread across 183 countries, Capital.com features licensing and regulation from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Client funds are held in funds segregated from the broker's operational capital, and eligible clients can avail protection from the Investor Compensation Fund and Financial Services Compensation Scheme, along with negative balance protection. Capital.com endeavors to bring the world to your screen by delivering access to over 2,400 Forex pairs, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. Starting spreads for Forex pairs begin at 0.6 pips with leverage of up to 30 to 1, available for retail customers. There are additional account types for professionals and institutional customers with leverage of up to 500 to 1. One of the best attributes beyond the broker's focus on technology is their emphasis on customer education. Capital.com features numerous materials designed to enhance customer knowledge with guides, how-tos, courses, webinars, and more. Moreover, Capital.com TV helps spread information on current events, strategies, psychology, and more. Technology is a cornerstone of the Capital.com offering, and their proprietary trading platform reflects this passion. The award-winning platform supports a cutting-edge CFD trading experience from web and mobile devices. Moreover, the inclusion of the InvestMate educational apps help investors learn on the go. Beyond the trade execution platform and education, Capital.com is devoted to customer success as evidenced by their artificial intelligence technology to arm traders with better decision-making tools. The AI analyzes trader behavior to uncover unique insights and provide tips to improve overall results. One of the other standout features of Capital.com is the absence of commissions along with fees for deposits or withdrawals. The company is very transparent about all the fees they charge, and there are no hidden fees associated with usage of the platform. Capital.com endeavors to provide highly reliable and reputable service, and this is evident from its infrastructure and support. Apart from PCI DSS compliance to provide high security standards for customer information, support representatives can assist clients around the clock, 5 days a week via phone, live chat, email, and multiple messenger channels. Our verdict? With more than 700,000 clients and counting, Capital.com is redefining exceptionalism in the global online brokerage field. Apart from focusing on supporting the very best trading technology for retail and professional investors alike, excellent trading conditions and superb educational materials make this an accessible destination for investors of all levels. With reliable and reputable offerings, Capital.com provides a highly affordable and accessible platform that matches the evolving needs of investors.